Hello students, standard 7th. In science, today we are going to start some revision only of the objective type questions. Means that section A, 1 marks each, like the MCQs, blanks, answer in one word or one sentence, true or false, etc. So first of all, we will take chapter number 13. First we will take some MCQs. First one. Which of the following is an example of circular motion? Options are motion of moving fan, B, motion of pendulum, C, motion of a swing, and D, motion of mosquito. So now we can see that circular motion is only that is the moving fan. Second one, which of the following is not the unit of speed? Options are kilometer per hour, meter per second, kilometer per second, meter per second square. Here read the question carefully. Which of the following is not the unit of speed? Because generally you will see only the unit of speed, then you will see that all of them are unit of the speed except the D. Because unit of the speed can be kilometer per hour or meter per second or kilometer per second, but not the second square. But here it is the answer D. Third one. Which part is 1 nanosecond of a second? A, 10,000th part, 10,000th part, B, 1,000,000th part, C, 10,000,000th part, and D, 1,000,000,000th part. So now we know that it is the 1,000,000th part. So 1 nanosecond is the 1,000,000th part of 1 second. Next, 54 kilometer per hour is equal to blank meter per second. So here we have to do the calculation. So I am not giving you the options, but we will do the calculation here. When we want to convert it into meter per second, so kilometer must be converted into meter in the numerator, and in that second. So E is equal to 54 multiply by 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, and 1 hour is how many seconds? 1 hour is 60 minutes and each minute is 60 seconds. So 60 multiplied by 60. So now cancellation, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 9s are 54, 2 3s are 3 3s are and 2 5s are 10. So 5 3s are 15. So answer is 15 meter per second. Options were 10, 15, 18 and 20 meter per second. So by that way we can convert it in meter per second from kilometer per hour. Next, which of the following is the correct formula? The correct formula related to speed. Related to speed. So here some options are given. First option is speed is equal to distance multiplied by time. Option B is distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. C option is speed is equal to time divided by distance. And option D is distance is equal to speed divided by time. Now if you getting confused, then you have to remember the formula of speed. Speed is distance divided by time. Now here that is gone because it is distance multiplied by time, so it cannot be the answer. Speed is equal to time divided by distance, but here true is distance divided by time, so that is also gone. So now from 1 up to that will be there. So now here it is distance. If you keep distance here, time will come here. So the B is the correct answer. So you just have to remember the real formula. Then from that you can change the side and find the final answer. A train covers 20 kilometer distance in 15 minutes with constant speed. What is its speed? Here also it is a sum, so I am not giving you the options, but we will do the method. We know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. How much distance is covered? 20 kilometer. What is the time taken? 15 minutes. But now generally, here the answers are given in kilometer per hour. Per hour, but here it is minute. So now this minute must be converted into 60 means hours. So 20 upon 50 multiplied by 60. 15 fours are, so 20 fours are 80 kilometer per hour. So the minute must be converted into the hour by this method. Seventh, the basic unit of speed is equal to blank. Options are kilometer per minute, B, meter per minute, C, kilometer per hour, and D is meter per second. So the last option, meter per second, is the correct answer. So that are the MCQs we did. Now let us take some blanks. First one, the distance covered by an object in a unit time is called blank. Now we know the definition. The distance covered by an object in unit time is called speed of that object. Now this question can be asked differently also. What is speed? Or the blank can be here also. The distance covered by an object in dash is called speed. So if the whole sentence is known, you can write down the answer. The time interval between two successive no moon days is called blank. So in the ancient time, people were making time on the natural phenomena like the phases of moon. So generally, two successive no moon days or new moon days or the full moon days have exactly nearly a month. So it is called a month. Third one, the time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called blank. So now the time taken by a pendulum to complete one oscillation is known as its time period. So your answer is time period. Next, the basic unit of distance is dash. Generally, the distance is measured in the meter. So, meter is the basic unit to find the distance. Next, the instrument used for measuring the distance covered by a vehicle is blank. You know that in all the vehicles, the one of the instrument which tell you the distance covered, and that is known as the odometer. Next, the device used for measuring speed of vehicle is, so there are two types of meter. One is the odometer, which tell you the distance, and other tell you the speed, that is known as speedometer. So the two vehicles on each vehicle there are two types of objects are there. The constant speed of a train is 100 km per hour. Then that train would cover distance of blank kilometer in 12 minutes. So now, first of all, we have to see that in 12 minutes. So here the speed is equal to, given how much? 100 km per hour. And time given is 12 minutes. But now that minute we have to convert into hour. That is 12 divided by 60. So 1/5 hours. So now distance covered. We know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So distance is speed multiplied by time. So is equal to speed multiplied by time. The speed is 100 and time is 1/5. 25 is 100, so 20 kilometer. So the distance covered by that train in 12 minutes will be 20 kilometer. So here we are going to finish today's session. In the next session we will take some another questions of 1 mark, answering one chapter and some definitions. It will be followed by the PDF. Thank you very much.